What's up guys? Today I'm going to have two videos in one day. The first one is why are nose blunts or switch blunts easier than regular blunts? The reason is when you're doing a switch blunt, you're going back and forward the way you skate. It's much easier to go in your normal direction. Also, you can have your front foot pointed, and since you're already looking that direction, it's just way more natural to go in the normal way you skate. Also, you're facing forward, so hanging up when you're doing a switch blunt is not a big deal. You can just run out of it very easily. But when you're doing a regular blunt and you're going in backwards, hanging up almost always means you fall on your back or the back of your head. So the best way to learn switch blunts is to learn how to do little fakie over crook back in first, little switch pivot to fakie, and then after that, it's basically the same thing. You just roll up, catch all your weight right here, lean into the ramp, have your front foot pointed, pop, keep the board up long enough to get your back wheels in, and go in. It's really not a hard trick, it's just really scary. So that's how you do switch blunts, and that's why they're so much easier than regular blunts. The next video that I'm going to put out today, later on, is going to be a regular blunt to fakie video. It's going to be 2 tips that allow you to learn blunt to fakies, because it's one of those tricks that no matter how hard you try, sometimes you just can't learn it. It's a mental thing. It's not a hard trick, but it's all in your head. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.